So we're looking at four pectoral muscles. Pect means the chest, so four chest muscles. We start with the most superficial ones right here. It's called the pecto antebrachialis. Okay, this one right here is the most superficial and also the most superior one of the chest muscles. If you lift this here, this muscle right here is not part of the pecto antebrachialis. This and this, they form the pectoralis major. Okay, so here you have pecto antebrachialis, superficial muscle, and then here you have pectoralis major. Below that, you have pectoralis minor. Okay, right here is pectoralis minor.
The bottom two, like these two, are pec.
Okay, this one, because I know that the pec major, pec minor is a lot bigger, so I think these two are pec minor, and this one is pec major. Okay, so these two are probably pec minor. Okay, so just for the purpose of your test, if you're gonna be tested on this, there will be only four muscles. Right now there's five, because someone cut this one in half probably. Pecto antebrachialis, okay, pec major, pec minor, the third one, and the last one will be xiphi humerales. So its origin is the xiphoid process of the sternum, and it inserts. It connects to these other muscles, and eventually they all insert on the humerus, okay, on this bone right here.
Wait, so these two aren't supposed to be cut in half?
No, like there will be four. Okay, so the first one, pecto antebrachialis, pec major, pec minor, xiphi humerale.
So this one is cut in half, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so, okay. Another anterior muscle here is the serratus anterior, right here, okay? Looks like ribs. These, if you actually put your finger on it, so it's like these finger muscles right here, they have this serrated appearance. That's why they're called serratus anterior, because they're in the anterior side front. So these ones are called serratus anterior. Okay? Move to the back. This large muscle here, it's been actually cut in half, okay, this whole thing. It's called latissimus dorsi. So dorsi for dorsal, back, latissimus L for large. That's how you can remember this one, okay? So this one right here is called latissimus dorsi. Okay. Another superficial muscle in the back that is covering the actual, covering the scapula is called trapezius. So it actually goes all the way to the base of the skull. Okay, so this one right here, the superficial muscle is called trapezius. Okay, if you lift that, you'll be able to see these deeper muscles. Okay. Here is the spine of the scapula. Right here, you can actually feel it if you touch.
Spine of the scapula?
Yeah, spine of the scapula. Okay, you don't need to know
That's
that.
The ridge,
just,
right?
Huh?
The ridge?
Yeah. And so above that, okay, right above that, we have supraspinatus. Supra above, spinatus for spine. So above the spine of the scapula, you have supraspinatus, and below that, don't worry about this one. Don't worry about this. Here you have the infraspinatus. Okay, and then this pink muscle right here, at the bottom, right here, okay, this is teres major, okay, teres major. So supraspinatus, infraspinatus, below the spine, teres major.
Teres major is below the infra.
Right below the infraspinatus. Trapezius covering the superficial muscle covering them, and these three are deeper, okay? And then if you just put your hand here, right here, you have subscapularis, sub meaning below, so right below the scapula, subscapularis. Okay, so right here, subscapularis. You can't see it, but you actually.
So that's
one of
right
the anterior muscles.
Subscapular fossa is?
Yes.
Right there?
Yeah. Subscapularis. Okay? But I missed. And here, right here, these muscles right here, they're actually rhomboids. And their job is to just keep the scapula in place. Okay? Rhomboids. Just gonna go over them again. Pecto anterior.